So I'm trying to cook out of this recipe book, grilled yuca tortillas. This is a yuca. It's a root, type of root. I've never handled one in my life before. I'm supposed to peel it and chop it and then boil it. So the skin is like really thick. Wow. Okay. That like doesn't really peel off like a carrot or potato. It's like scraping it off. Smells rooty. Definitely wouldn't want to eat the skin on this one. I'm assuming it's like very rough and flaky and feels dry. And all right, it's peeled. Yay. Okay, it's not too thick. It's not like a yam sweet potato, hard to chop. It's more like, yeah, actually it is. It's like a yam sweet potato. God, man. Okay. That didn't go according to plan. It's still edible though. These dark veins, like running through it. I'm so fascinated by this. Wonder how it tastes. I think it comes from South America. Whew. Wow, that was a lot of work. The yuca's chopped. This is what the peeling looks like. See, it's like little shavings. Okay, weird. Anyways. Enough about that. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Woo! Boil, boil, boil alive. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Allow that to cool. Okay, garlic. I don't know, did I do that right? I did. Oh, wow. Oh, there's more in here. Cool. It's like a discovery. I thought it was like one piece, but it's multiple. Wow, I'm such an amateur. We got ourselves a garlic clove. Approximately 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm terrible at eyeballing stuff. No less. That is what I'm doing. And we're out of olive oil. I was deceiving. It looked like we had more than that. Oh well. Saute the garlic. Chop up the bell pepper. Add in the yellow bell pepper. There's this good. Okay, now I'm supposed to mash the yuca with my fingers. It literally tastes like nothing. Add the bell pepper and garlic that I burned successfully. Add lime juice. Oh my gosh, the juice is like not coming out. Holy cow. What the heck? I haven't even gotten out one drop yet. Oh. Oh my gosh. That makes you work for it. Okay, 2 teaspoons. I don't know how much that is. I don't know. Looks like a sea creature, doesn't it? Okay. Maybe that's 2 teaspoons. Maybe it's not. I don't know. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Okay, dang. Okay, that doesn't look all that impressive. Oh well, whatever. Slice the mushrooms. was a little small. To the recipe's credit, it is supposed to have like salsa and stuff, which would make it look prettier and probably taste better, but I don't got none. So this is my second one. It tastes good actually. Would I make this again? Yes, with variations. And I'd probably add salsa next time. There you go.